So what we discussed yesterday's class, which concept?
Encapsulation.
Encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Explain.
Is a process of binding a class and vary by variables and methods in which we cannot directly access the variable. We have to access the variable through methods only, and it will provide the security to the variables.
What is data hiding?
Security to the data using a private access modifier is called data hiding.
What is the difference between getter and setter methods?
In getter method, we can only read the data, and in setter method, we can read as well as uh, get the output of the
Write or
data.
modify data also.
Yes, write and modify the data.
Done with assignment.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Where you rated assignment? If you are done means. Trupti, where your updated assignments? Preeti, you are not audible.
Ma'am, I have
Classwork.
submitted the I have submitted the
Okay.
assignment.
Classwork.
In the assignment you have, I have turned in the assignment.
Trupti, Joshi, Preeti, your updated assignment in a classwork. Okay, we'll check. Okay, what is the next concept in OOPS?
Inheritance.
So there are principles of OOPS, right? Yesterday done with encapsulation. What is next concept in OOPS?
Inheritance.
So inheritance. So before inheritance, what is mean by easy relationship? So easy relationship only inheritance will come. So what is easy relationship? Mm. So what is relationship? So relationship So the relationship,
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
No voice not audible.
objects
Ma'am, your voice is not.
relationship is called easy relationship. Parent class and child class. So relationship with this objects. So here whatever parent has a properties. So all the properties belongs to child. And that time also Hello, no, it's audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before inheritance, so inheritance comes under easy relationship. Okay. So what is easy relationship means? So the relationship between parent and child.
Ma'am, is it the same when we are using that protected modifier? That time we there is a need of child and parent relationship between two classes.
Yes, but here we'll not use any access modifier. If you want, you can use.
Okay.
So here, whatever parent has a properties, so then a child. So in real time also, whatever parent has a properties, all the parent properties belongs to children's. Yes or no?
Yes.
So whatever child has a properties, all the child properties belongs to parent.
Yes.
Is yes or no? Vipin, still it is not audible. Where is Vipin here?
Now we are able to hear you, ma'am. In between, your voice is breaking.
No, it's audible. Okay. So here, for example, parent are generalized child is a specialized. So what is mean by generalized? Normal meaning. So parents are
Perfect keyword.
called generalized. And children's like child classes are called as specialized. So what is mean by generalized means which is common for different thing. Let us think, for example, to understand what is generalized and specialized. So we'll say fruit are fruits. So here fruits is nothing but parent. Let us think. So fruits, so there are different types of fruits, right? So just we will say it's a fruit. So what all are the different types of fruits will be there? A grapes is a fruit, orange, mango, and something, a
Water.
banana and all, apple, watermelon. So there are different fruits. Just we are saying it's a fruit. So fruit mean it is common for all. So here parent is nothing but generalized, which is a common for a different thing. So specialized means children's. So grapes is same as orange.
No, ma'am.
Orange is same as a mango. So mango is same as a apple. No. So all are different fruit. So specialized means which is a different. Here these all are child classes like a children's. Children's are specialized. Generalized means which is common for a different thing. Children's means it's a different. So got it the meaning? What is mean by why parents are called generalist, childs are called specialized? All are different here. Apple is different fruit, mango is different, orange is different, grapes are different, but all are fruits only. So
So if they
that
belongs
is a
to a particular
generalized.
category, then they are called parents.
Ah yes. Suppose you will say it's a vegetable. So in a vegetable there are a number of vegetables.
So here
Not like
vegetable
that, like you
parent and different kind of vegetables are the child.
yes. So you can take one vegetable in that attributes and behavior also you can specify. So you like a vehicle. So what all are the different types of vehicles we will do? So we'll make that vehicle as a parent class, different type of vehicles, car, something, bus and all child classes. A scooter, bike. Yes. Those all are specialized. Vehicle is generalized. So got it. So clear with this slide, what is mean by is a relationship? A child will acquire all the parent property and child has some extra properties. So child class will not share their properties to parent. So parent also called as generalized, child also called as specialized. Okay, tick down this slide. If you're done, means tell me.
The relationship between two objects, which is similar to the parent and child relation, is called is a relationship, ma'am.
Yes, Vani.
Thanks, ma'am.
Completed. If all done, means tell me.
Ma'am, in classroom,
Okay.
I couldn't see the, assignments. I used to see all the assignments, ma'am. From data casting, typecasting, I couldn't see, ma'am.
In
Now I
notes
want to,
only you will get assignment.
but others' homework I couldn't see, ma'am. I used to see. If I
You
have
are
any
unable to
doubt,
see others' assignment.
yeah, others' homework, ma'am.
Okay. So today Trupti send encapsulation program right in the classroom.
Not the present class, ma'am. Previous classes.
Yeah, yesterday's concept. See if they are sending in a classwork and not a classroom. If they updated in a stream, so everyone can see. But they are sending assignments privately.
Oh, okay. That's why I couldn't see them, ma'am.
Yes. So do one thing. If you're done with all assignment, means send that assignment in a stream. So others will refer your assignment.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
So here parent class we are saying. So parent class, instead of create like telling create a super class, they will ask super class, also called as parent class. So here parent class is also called as super class or base class, as well as the child class is also called as subclass or derived class. So these are the alternative names you have to remember. So subclass, child class or derived class. So here, what all are the members? Suppose you are created in a parent class, some variables, attributes, constructor, something and all. So what all are the things you can't access from child parent class to child class? Not able to access. What all are the members? So any member, if you prefixed with a private in a class, parent class. So private members, next constructors, and initializers are not inherited to the child class. So inside a parent class, you created private members, or inside a class, parent class, you created a constructor and initializers like multi-line initializers and all. That is not possible to access from child class. One class to another class, we can't access those members. What are the members? It is not possible to inherit private members, constructors, and initializers. So like these questions only you will get in interviews. So why it is not possible to inherit private members? Already you know the reason.
Because private
So can we,
members are cannot be accessible outside the class.
yeah, private members belongs to that particular class. If we try to access some
It is
another
a
class,
class
we'll get
level
a error.
modifier.
Yes. So why not possible to inherit constructor from one class to another class?
Because constructor is also
Created with the same class name, same structure that belongs to the same
Yes.
class.
Yeah, so constructor, while creating a object, we should refer which class object we are creating. So constructor belongs to that particular class. So it is not possible. So initializers will create multi-line, single line and all. So multi-line initializers, if we are created, can we access that initializer in a different class? You can access, but inheriting is not possible. While creating that particular object, the initializers will load if it is a non-static. So other class we are created object we are accessing means it is not possible. So these three members does not possible to inherit from other class. Clear with this?
yes, ma'am.
So how to achieve easier relationship? So we can achieve easier relationship with the help of inheritance. So we can achieve Easy relationship. With the help of inheritance. What is inheritance? I will let you know. No, you will get inheritance concept. Okay, take down this slide. Done with this slide. Done with this. Okay. So what is inheritance? how to achieve inheritance. So inheritance is nothing but the process of the process of one class acquiring all the properties and behavior from the other class is called inheritance. So one class means child class. So child class acquire all the properties and behavior from parent class. So how to achieve this inheritance? So we can achieve inheritance with the help of keywords. That is first one extends. So extends keyword. So by using this extend keyword, one class properties from another class properties we can access. And next one implements keyword. So today's class I will let you know what is extends keyword. So implements will discuss in interface concept. So why we will use extends keyword?
And for inheriting the class.
Inheriting the properties and behaviors. So extends keyword it is used to achieve inheritance between two classes. So in inheritance, we will use super call statement. So while creating a constructor, we are getting super call statement, right? So why we need a super call statement? So super call statement. So rules and all, we have to use same as it is. This call statement rules are there, right? It should be first statement inside a constructor. All the rules are same. But why we will use a super call statement? So it is used to call the constructor of the parent class. So you will create a inside a child class one constructor, parent class one constructor. So child class automatically acquire all the parent properties. So how it can access child class constructor, how to access parent class constructor means with the help of super call statement. So the super call statement, it represents parent class object. So what is used to represent the instance. What is mean by instance? Instance of parent class. So instance means object. So what all are the rules mean? Same as this call statement rules. A recursive call not allowed. It should be first statement inside a constructor. Clear with this? What is inheritance? How to achieve? By using extends keyword. Implements will discuss in interface. So what is extends keyword and super call statement? If you're clear with this, take down this slide. So tick down this if you completed means at least a text. So I can go with the next thing. Completed. Everyone done? Okay. So now what all are the types of inheritance? So there are 5 types of inheritance. So types of inheritance. First one, single level inheritance. And second one, multi-level. Third one, hierarchical. Fourth one, multiple. And fifth one, hybrid. So these all are the 5 types of inheritance: single level, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple, and hybrid. So what is single level inheritance? So single level inheritance means one parent having one child. So the only one level inheritance. So only one level inheritance. So for example, one parent class. So what is the symbol of extends? So extends the symbol is, this is just arrow mark. What is implements a symbol means? Just a dotted arrow mark. So here one parent class extends one child class. So child class accessing all the parent properties. So this is extends a symbol. So next, what is multi-level inheritance? So multi-level inheritance means more than one level. So the inheritance of more than one level. So if you remember this like a diagrammatic representation while doing programs, it is easy. So for example, so one parent having more than one child in a different levels. So child, there is another child like this. How many child classes you want, you can create. So here this child will access this child properties. For this child, it is a parent. Again, this child access this parent properties one by one level. So multi-level means one parent having more than one child in a different level. So all the child will access another child properties. So this is extends a symbol. So let us think you will create one parent class, two child classes. So let us think child 1, child 2. Child 2 access child 1 properties. Child 1 access this parent properties. No, child 2 belongs to all the properties. So what all are the properties child 2 can access?
Both the child one and as well as the parent one.
Parents.
Because already in a child 1, parent properties are there. So it's accessing child 1 properties. So all the properties present belongs to child 2. So for this child, it is a parent. For this child, it is a parent. Like that, multi-level means. So what is a hierarchical level inheritance? So here, so if a parent or a superclass has a more than one child at the same level. So for example, parent class. So one parent having more than one child in a same level. So child 1, child 2. So both the childrens will access same parent properties. So child 1 also access parent property. Child 2 will access parent property. So one parent having more than one child within a same level. That is hierarchical inheritance. This is extensive symbol. Clear with this three: single, multi-level, hierarchical. Yes means tick down. Multi-level means a different level. One child will access another child property. Hierarchical means how many childs you have created, all the child classes will access parent properties only.
Ma'am, in the
Okay,
multi,
take down the slide.
ma'am,
Yes,
in the multi-level, can we take the child to as grandchild? Is there anything like that?
yes, but while creating a classes, just will create a, will say it's a child classes.
Okay.
1 minute, you have some requirements. I will share you the screen.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, guys. This is Pallavi from management. So today I'm here to announce a requirement here as well as your upcoming class. So we are going to start project class, guys. Project class is only for the as I told you earlier, 2019 below passed out student you can attend this class, and timing will be 10 to 12. Earlier, also already shared one link, project class link only from Vijay Bhaskar sir, early morning 7 to 9. So that was already closed, guys. That is already closed, and this is held by Chetan sir from tomorrow 10 to 12. Those who are looking for that and try to attend that class, guys. So hope my screen is visible, guys. So here is a requirement for business analyst in Bangalore. Interview location and job location is a Bangalore only offline interview. And those who are interested to work as business analyst, you can go ahead with this requirement. And skills required: manual testing completed candidate, salary package 3 to 3.5 lakhs per annum, no bond, qualification BE BTech, stream CS ISIT, year of password should be 2022, and your 10th 12th degree aggregate percentage should be 60%, guys. So take a snap of this if you meet this criteria, if you want to register. Those who are interested to work as business analyst. Clear? Shall I stop sharing my screen now, guys? Shall I? I'm stop sharing my screen now. So, guys, as I told you guys, from Vijay Bhaskar sir project class was already cancelled. Please try to attend this class only from Chetan sir, 10 to 12. Okay. So that's it from my hand, guys, and thank you, guys. Thank you, mom.
Okay, take down the slide. complete it. Okay. So what is multiple inheritance? So multiple inheritance. So one child class having more than one parent. So parent 1 and parent 2. So extends a symbol. So one child are trying to access at the same time both the parent properties. So parent has some properties and parent two also having some properties. So child class same time trying to access both the parent properties. So it is possible in a real time also one child trying to access both the parent properties at the same time. So let us think. For example, you created a class parent 1, another class parent 2. So parent has some property, same properties. Let us think M1 method. This is something properties of parent. Parent 2 also having a same property. That is a M1 method only. Okay. Now there is a one child class. So child class wants to access same time parent 1 M1 method, parent 2 M1 method. So it is possible both the methods will can access child class. So if you're calling, which M1 method will get executed? Suppose inside a child class, you're calling M1 method. Which M1 method will get executed?
P1.
P1 dot M1 and P2 dot M1.
Will create a child object, not a parent. With the help of child object reference, you're calling M1 method, which child class accessing both the parent properties, right?
Yes.
So we'll create a child object. Through child object reference, we have to call. Now which M1 method will get executed? So there is a confusion, right? So both the parent has a same property. So like this, by using classes, if we create a different class, one class trying to access multiple class properties. So compiler also will get confused which M1, which class property it should access. There is a ambiguity occurs. Ambiguity, like a confusion will occur while compiling the compiler. So in a multiple inheritance, there is a problem. So at a time, one child class can't access multiple parent class. So what is the problem? So we can say diamond ring problem. So diamond ring problem or diamond problem. So what is the diamond ring problem? So one child class trying to access more than one parental properties. So both the parent properties are similar. So there is a confusion or ambiguity occurs. So that is the reason we'll get a ambiguity problem. So that problem is called diamond ring problem or diamond problem. How to achieve multiple inheritance in Java? It is not possible. There is a problem, right? Then how we can achieve? So in a multiple inheritance, as a problem called as a diamond ring problem. So that is the reason by using classes. So because of this problem, so because of diamond ring problem, we can't achieve multiple inheritance with the help of classes. So here we are creating parent class, child classes. So parent 1 class, parent 2 class, child class. So if we have created a classes, it is not possible to achieve. So then how we can achieve? So multiple inheritance we can achieve in a Java by using interface. So we can achieve multiple inheritance with the help of interface. So in an interface, we will use implements keyword. So by using implements keyword, at a time, one child class can access both the parent properties. If we are using classes means at a time, one class can acquire another class properties. So extends keyword. So one class can extend another, not a more than one. So what is interface means? I will let you know, okay, later. Interface concept. So just to remember how to achieve multiple inheritance by using interface concept. Clear with this? What is multiple inheritance? Yes, Nutan. Done with this slide.
Ma'am.
So, so next one, what is a hybrid inheritance? So hybrid inheritance means it is a combination of more than one inheritance. So hybrid inheritance. So the combination of multiple inheritance and hierarchical inheritance is called hybrid. So, for example, one child, two parents. What is this inheritance? Parent 1 and parent 2.
Multiple inheritance.
So, this is so multiple. Suppose this is not a child. Let us assume it is a parent. Okay. So, one parent, two child. What is this inheritance? Let us think it is a parent. So, child 1, child 2. One parent, two childrens.
Hierarchical.
So, hierarchical inheritance. So, hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of multiple as well as hierarchical inheritance. So, by using classes, can we achieve hybrid inheritance? Yes or no?
Multiple inheritance can be achieved through interface. So maybe
Mm.
this is also achieved with the help of interfaces.
Yes, so by using classes, it is not possible to achieve hybrid inheritance. So take down this if completed means tell me. Done with this. So here, let us think you created a parent object. So parent p equals to new of parent. Now tell me, with the help of parent object reference, can we access parent properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can access. With the help of parent object reference, can we access child properties?
No, ma'am.
So child properties not belongs to parent, so it is not possible. Suppose you have created a child object. So child is equals to new child. With the help of child object reference, can we access child properties?
Yes, ma'am.
With the help of child object reference, can we access parent properties?
Yes,
Yes, all the child properties belongs to parents. Whatever parent has a property, all the parent properties belongs to child. So this thing you have to understand. If you're clear with this, inheritance is easy. So if you want, take down this thing also. If you're done means open Eclipse, we'll do programs. So if you have created a parent object, so with the help of parent object reference, only you can access parent properties because children properties not possible to access parents. With the help of parent object reference, not possible to access child properties. Same thing, whatever, suppose if you have created a child object, with the help of child object reference, you can access child properties, their own properties, as well as all the parent properties belongs to children's only. So with the help of child object reference, we can easily access parent properties also. Got it? Okay. So tell me which class we will create. First, we will do program on single level inheritance. One parent class having one child. So class, let us take a fruits. Fruit is a parent here. Created a class. Yes, now tell me the attributes of a fruit.
Color, taste, size,
Tell me along with the data types.
string,
Color,
string taste,
mm,
size, string size, or int size, length and breadth and height.
so string, size, okay.
Fruit price is double.
So double price. So these are the
Sometimes
attributes of
location,
location. So parent has color, some taste, size, price. So tell are the attributes you want, you can create. So after creating this, generate the constructor. So go to source, generate the constructors using field. For all the fields, we want a constructor. So just to generate. So here, if you remove super, if super is there, nothing will happen. In a parent class, no need a super. If it is there also, it will work. So just to generate the constructor. Generated. Then save this class. If done with the creating a fruit class, tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So next we'll create a child class. So tell me one child class. Apple. So here apple is a child. So here apple is a child. So child class access all the parent properties. Yes. So apple, whatever properties has a parent. Same, right? Apple having a color, taste, size, and price. So this child class inherit all the parent properties. So how to inherit? Which keyword we have to use?
Tens.
Ma'am, we need to create new this one, ma'am, after fruit Java, apple Java.
This is my package name.
Not package. We need to create a new class.
Yes.
Okay.
So child class wants to access parent properties. We'll use extends keyword. So extends fruit. So So now tell me here something different property, some extra properties of apple. Location. This is different, which is not present in a parent. Next, anything different?
Now we should remove price from the fruit class and put it in child classes.
Price.
No, price is there in the parent class. We should remove it from that parent class and put it in the child class.
No, it's okay. If it is there, also nothing will happen. In child class, you're getting error, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now what you have to do means you have to generate the constructor of apple. So go to source and generate the constructor. So only location you will get, because inside a child, we have a location. Just to generate. You will not get any error. Error will go on. So now check in a super call statement. What are the attributes present in a parent class? All the attributes present inside a super call statement. So here super call statement call the parent class constructor. Yeah, Pujashri, you can take that attribute and again generate the constructor. No, which class object we will create? So both the class object you can create. But actually, which class object we can create to access both the properties?
Ma'am, apple.
Child class.
Apple class object. So if you want to create a fruit object also you can create. If you want to create a apple, means both the fruit properties and apple class properties both we can access. So create a main method. For your reference understanding, do one thing, create a parent. So by using parent object reference, what are the attributes you can access? So f equals to new of a fruit. Yes, by using parent, you can't access child properties. Directly you will create child only. So apple, a equals to new of apple. So here we have a parameterized constructor. So add arguments to match string, string, double string. So first string color. Tell me color of apple.
Green.
It's a red. Jagruti, check with the code. Something you are missed. Check did you are using extend or not. First use extends, then generate the constructor. Next taste. Size. Next price. Something 200.0. Next location. Which location? Bangalore. So as it is order, you have to initialize. So color, taste, all are parent properties. Only location is a child.
Ma'am, how can I
Gender,
cre- create constructor using generate constructor using fields in child class, ma'am?
go to source, same how
I
you will
can create
generate like that
only,
only.
you created, constructor with four fields in child class, ma'am.
You just go to source, select a generate
Uh-huh.
constructor using field. You will get only location. You just generate. You will
Yeah,
get constructor like this only.
only location I could see, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Just click on below generate.
Yeah, only location selected, but not all the. In Apple, how did you select, or you just type, ma'am?
No, don't do anything.
Did
Just
you type
location is there, right? Just to give generate. Check with your constructor. You are extending all the
this
properties
location?
automatically. You will get.
I didn't get all the properties in Apple, ma'am. What did you
No,
do?
Vani, you will not get here. Go to source. Click on this. Only you will get location, right?
Okay.
Just click on generate and check your constructor in a child class.
So in parent class, I had to generate constructor, ma'am.
Yes,
All the fields. Okay.
yes. If there is a constructor in parent, then only you can access that properties in child.
Uh, did you select a type here in child class, ma'am? How did you copy? Or no?
Send me your what you're asking. You create a parent class inside a
Yeah.
parent class constructor. Save
In
this
parent
parent
class,
class.
uh, yeah, it created in parent class as you said. I tried and it is successful. In child class, uh, it is not created by Apple.
See,
All
child
these
class.
properties.
You will get one. Child class use extends fruit
Yeah, I did. Did, ma'am.
string location.
Yeah, I got it, ma'am.
Go to source. Don't do anything. Go to source.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm deleting everything that I did other than string location. Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
No,
Generate
select.
constructors from super class.
No, you should create normally how you will generate the constructor as it is. Don't go with the super class. This one, generate constructor
Okay.
using fields. You will get
Okay,
only
ma'am.
location. Yes, just to
Yes,
generate it.
ma'am. Okay. Oh,
No good.
I got all the. Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Because child class accessing parent properties by using extend keyword. Automatically you will get.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone got it. Are you getting error? No error. You got the out like without error. Jagruti, what about yours? No. Created a child object because with the help of child reference we can access all the properties. No. By using child reference, print all the details. So sys out. You can create a method where you can print all the details and you can call. It's up to you or directly print it. So a dot color This out a dot location a dot price this out a dot size then price paste. So by using child object reference, we are accessing all the parent properties along with the location is child. So save and execute. You will get output. Below location. Jagruti yellow line means that is like a warnings, that is not a error. If you're getting yellow line means nothing will happen. Your code will get executed. That is something like a warnings. If it is a red color error means that is the error. You have to modify the code. Done, got the output. Okay.
Ma'am, I got location 2 in child class, ma'am, in this public Apple.
What location to?
After after price, I got string location.
Yeah, which order you're printing, same order you will get output.
I mean, after this source generate with, I have generated the constructor generate. In that, I got string. I mean, location too. Here, after string location, I got public Apple, string color, string text, string size, and string price. After that, I got string location. You got it, ma'am?
Yes, you will get.
Okay, thanks.
Yes. Inside the constructor, we should
Okay,
specify.
ma'am, thanks.
No string price.
Price will be no double price. Says she's telling string location we have to use or not. In constructor, you have to use fruit class. 1 minute. This is the fruit class. I will send you this code in a Google Classroom. Still, how many are doing? Not done. You're doing. Okay, execute. See, just you generate the constructor. Everything you will get automatically. No need to type. I will update you the notes. Okay, there you have a assignment. So we are done with a single level. So how to do multi-level inheritance? Tell me how to do multi-level inheritance.
Child class will extend the parent class, then child 2 class will extend the child 1 class.
So you will create one fruit class. Let us think two parents, apple and a mango. No, tell me like this. So others will get idea.
Ma'am, one fruit class, it is the parent class. Then we will create one apple class, which is a child class, and then one more child class we will create, like apple 2. So apple will have all the properties of fruit, and then apple 2 will have all the properties of apple and fruits.
Yes. So one parent class, two child classes you will create. Child 1 access, parent class, child 2 access, child 1 class. How to do hierarchical?
Ma'am, all the classes extends to the parent class. Like if we create mango class, then mango will extend to fruits, and apple will extend to fruit. Grapes will extend to fruits.
Yes. So only one parent, multiple child classes you will create. All the child class will access only parent properties. So as a assignment, you have to do multi-level and next hierarchical level inheritance. Along with, I will update two activities. So that two, four assignment programs you have to do. So before coming tomorrow's class, send in a stream only if you are done means. So if you are not practicing OOPS program means done with OOPS means you will not get what is actually that concept. So practice all assignment programs. So I updated notes along with assignment questions as well as single level inheritance program. So if you are done, if you're clear today's concept, no doubt means you can leave and practice assignments.
Ma'am, when I'm creating a new class for Apple, ma'am, that name is already exist. I'm getting there.
I think in your program, in your project you create some another fruit name. If you have a doubt in program means you can check in a Google Classroom. Code is there.
Ma'am, when now we are creating class for Apple, ma'am, that extend
Mm.
fruit, we should only type or it itself will come, ma'am.
No, no, we have to type.
Okay, extend fruit after that apple we need to type, ma'am.
Yes, we have to type it. So we will create a Apple class. So we have to use extends keyword, then a fruit.
Okay.
Then create this attribute. After that, just generate the constructor. Automatically, you will get parent attributes too.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Ma'am, in homework, what I had to do, ma'am?
How to do multi-level inheritance? Using a diagram, tell me.
Ma'am, can you explain please for
Just,
multi-level inheritance?
can I talk, ma'am? Is someone else
Tell me.
talking now? Oh, ma'am, as we did now, I'll create a parent class like fruit class, and I create another apple class, and then I'll create some gala apple class. In that, I'll create. I'll add one more property in apple and one more property in gala apple. Then I will extend fruit class in child class, and I will extend the Gala apple class apple with apple.
So multi-level inheritance, you will how to do means. So you will create a class. Instead of a fruit, you can take any other class, a vehicle, something. So here you will take some attributes. Okay, you will create a constructor, something and all. After that, another class. Let us think apple. So here you will extend fruit. So here you will create some attributes, constructor and all. So next you will create another class. So class, let us think mango. So mango extends. This is multi-level. Mango extends what? Apple or fruit? Apple.
Fruit.
So here attributes constructor you
Mango
can create.
extends. Okay, okay, okay.
This is multi-level. See fruit, then apple,
Okay, ma'am.
then mango. So which class object you will create directly?
Child class object. Mango class object.
Mango class object. So directly if you created mango class object, no you want to access this also, you can create inside the one class also. All the objects also you can create to access that particular class attributes. If not means directly create a mango. If you created mango object, you can access all the things.
Without creating any objects for fruit and apple too, ma'am.
Apple class extending fruit properties. Again this mango class extending apple. So what all are the properties present in apple? Everything present in mango. If you directly created all the properties you can access.
Okay, ma'am.
And
This is
next
one
one, what?
homework and next one.
Hierarchical. Hierarchical means what? See, there is a fruit class, apple and mango will be there. So you will create a class, fruit, here attributes and all you will create. Next, you will create a apple class. So apple extends which class?
Fruit class, ma'am.
So apple extends a fruit. Then here some attributes and all. Next again you will create another class, mango. Mango extends which class?
Fruit class, ma'am.
Fruit only. This is multi, this is hierarchical. So all the child class access only parent properties.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yeah, got it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thanks.
ma'am, in that program, ma'am, Error occurred during initialization of boot layer, it is showing.
You're not generating constructor properly.
We should give run only, no ma'am, after typing the code.
See, I sent the code in a Google Classroom. Once check your code.
Okay,
Anything you
ma'am.
are missed, or send me your code in a QTalk. I will refer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay then. Thank you. Bye.